Alright, so I'm having this problem with my car. It's 2006 Subaru Legacy 2.5 GT. I have the Flywheel. I gave enough money to replace it. Instead they resurfaced it. And I'm pretty sure that's what the problem is, but I'm not sure. See if you guys can tell me or not. It's pretty much, right now I have the clutch engaged. I don't know if you can hear that sound. It's in reverse right now. Let's see if I can recreate it. I also notice sometimes whenever I have it in reverse and then I go to first, it won't let me go engage into first, second, third, or fourth. And I have to put it back in reverse and then up to first. So I think either the flywheel is too short for the resurfacing and doesn't reach the clutch to engage it, or it's just the fact that the transmission wasn't put together correctly. Plus I got a gap between there that I can actually see the flywheel spinning, and I'm not sure if that's normal or not, because I don't remember seeing that on my old Legacy. Any help on that would help. Thanks guys.